Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BPMX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice move. I mean, when you consider where the price started it off down here and then where it ultimately closed up there, any rational person would say, yeah, the bulls definitely had a nice day today. But that does lead to the very valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea. But like I said, by using charts, we can make answering this question very straightforward. In my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is right here at 29.5 cents. Why is 29.5 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 29.5. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this channel that it just broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price does something like this, not saying it will, but pulls back and then behaves in this manner. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have the previous set of lows, down around here. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm quantifying and defining the phrase make progress forward as 29.5 cents. What about areas of resistance? As far as that is concerned at this point in time, key level right up there at 34 cents. I'm sure if you're watching level 2s today, then you know that whenever the price got right up around that area, you can see several times there, and then even during the final 30 minutes got relatively close. Price just couldn't quite push through it. So 34 cents, public enemy number one going into tomorrow. But all in all, no doubt about it, nice move today. Now it's just a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.